ensure bathing safety is our highest priority. The Linear Drain Shower Collection was designed for assurance in bathing. Here, form and function converge in this new bathing fixture. Let's start with function. This new collection features an integral, pre-molded linear drainage system that eliminates water runoff onto the bathroom floor. The floor is pitched in one direction toward the trough, eliminating slopes that complicate standing. Change of level shower thresholds were addressed in the 2010 Code Standard improvements. The half-inch change of level allows the linear drain modular shower or shower base to be installed on slab or subfloor without recess. This is a primary money-saving aspect that cannot be overlooked during budgeting. It should be noted our threshold measures 1 inch in total from bottom to top, making it the lowest molded threshold of this type in the industry. The nailing flange is an innovative design addressing threshold bowing. When properly fastened to the subfloor, the threshold will remain straight and true meeting code. Because sheet vinyl is a standard floor finish in senior care, ramps are commonplace. Overlay ramps are unattractive and expensive. The innovative underlay system is designed to fit under the sheet vinyl, improving form and function. The trench nailing flange is an impediment to the underlay ramp. Therefore, a notch must be removed from the underside of the ramp. When the mat is pulled over the nailing flange, it will sit flush and rest just below the top of the bevel. The sheet vinyl flooring will fill the space. The outer edge of the ramp has a vertical transition that needs to be addressed. The ramp can be cut so that an equal slope segment can be added on each end for gradual slope transition. The vinyl flooring will sit on top of the ramp, fully concealing the ramp below the finished floor. The finished product should leave a smooth transition at the sides and no sharp drops. The integral trough is formed into the base with draft from both ends to the center. It is seamless and utilizes an industry-standard brass compression-style drain. The brass drain body drops in from the top and secures to the bottom of the trench opening. Later, a gasket will be dropped in from the top and compressed against the waste pipe. This is a standard shower drain connection. Notice the 8 bosses inside the trench body. Magnets are countersunk in these locations to form the mechanical connection to the stainless grate. The stainless grate has 8 coinciding magnets on the underside to form the connection with the trench body. Note our linear drain recess spans the shower floor from wall to wall, unlike other competing designs. The 304 stainless grate is made from wedge wire extrusions and has been tested to 500 pounds. The 5/16" bottom support rods tie the wires together. The grate installs with ease and holds firm with the 8 magnets. The grate is offered in powder-coated white as an option with stainless as the standard. The change of level threshold is highly specialized and may not be the preference for some developers. The design of the threshold can be modified with a vertical transition strip for level entry applications in which the bathroom floor is sloped back to the linear drain for the purpose of eliminating the need and cost of a secondary floor drain. This conversion strip will modify the installation technique and require different finished floor requirements for meeting code. This will raise the total height from 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch. If this shower is set directly to the subfloor, the finished floor will need to come up 1 full inch to meet code. This means most installations will be recessed into the subfloor. The linear drain collection features a classic 24-inch by 12-inch subway tile pattern with an industry-leading 16th-inch radius at the corners, floor, and wall junctures. More developers are requiring floor-to-ceiling shower walls. We have developed a wall extension option that is new to the industry, offering a 3-piece extension that represents 1 additional subway tile band, extending the shower wall from 82 inches to 94 inches. After the shower is properly installed, place the back wall onto the support pins and connect the top flange to the stud wall. Next, slide the side wall sections onto the support pins and connect to the stud wall. The linear drain collection is designed with a new improved finish detail flange, referred to as a return flange, that provides a termination point for sheetrock. This also keeps any water splash away from the sheetrock. The return flange has a 1-inch return, Installing 5/8" sheetrock will allow the sheetrock to sit back from the forward edge of the shower about 3/8 inch. A final detail often overlooked is how the floor trim will terminate at the shower flange. By designing an extra deep return, the trim can terminate nicely behind the flange. The linear drain modular shower is reinforced with backing and metal plates at all accessory points and is rated to exceed code-required static load weights. These new shower systems are available with factory-installed compliant accessories. A new industry-leading feature available on factory accessorized showers is the slide guide with grab bar with handheld shower head. The slide guide doubles as a grab bar. The bar has been polished to match the chrome escutcheon on the shower valve. The frameless fold-up seat is padded for comfort, folding up neatly out of the way when not in use. New obstruction and reach range clauses have inhibited the use of aftermarket soap ledges that protrude into the shower. Two new relocatable soap niche options that recess into the shower wall can be mounted at any height and location. The final result is a universally designed compliant shower that is equally at home in all levels of senior care. Please support Assurance in Bathing. We thank you for your support and time.